Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today in this video I am going to show you how to make your homemade protein powder. So as of now I am bulking up, so I need to complete my calorie intake every day. So this powder is going to help you a lot to complete your daily calorie intake. So I am going to show you what all food products that you need to make this protein powder, and let's begin this video. So first of all you need badam, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and I don't know what do we call this, but you even need this, and you also need walnut and peanuts. And main important thing is that you need this white chana. That why I am telling that it is main important, because as you are bulking up now, so you need a lot of calorie intake, and this is going to help you in reaching your calorie intake goals. And after taking that, and you also need oats with it, and along with oats you also can prefer milk powder at the end. So I will be telling you what to do with that milk powder. So first, after taking these all things, you need to be making them into powdered form. And badam, you can prefer it by cutting it into small pieces, and after that you make all these things into powdered form. You need to be mixing all these things, and you can consume that by mixing it in water or mixing it in milk and drinking it every day morning. So let's grind everything, and we'll be showing you the final result. So let's begin. So first we as you have seen, after making that all those items into powdered form, you need to be mixing that all, and after that you can consume that by boiling the milk and just add 3 spoons of this powder. Can just have it. So you can just even add some milk powder for some more tasting, but yeah, this is a perfect mixture of high calorie and rich in protein powder that you can prepare in home. So I hope you like this video, and stay tuned for more content like this, and wishing you all a very great future and a very great physique. So love you guys, bye.